Hey there, today I'm going to teach you how to edit the pitch in a campaign. So you're going to go to the campaigns, you're going to create a new campaign, and then you're going to need to choose a source. If you're not sure about which one you should pick, feel free to watch the videos that explain each one of the options. So once you decide, let's go with classes this time. You're going to be in the ICP. Once you finish the ICP, you're going to press save and continue. And you're gonna get to the pitch. The pitch will start with what you wrote in the compass area. So if you agree with this, then it's great. If not, you can always change here the website and regenerate, or do some edits. For example, delete some of the pain points and create new ones, or then change some of the value propositions, or even change the language if you want this campaign to be in a different language, for example, Spanish. Moreover, you can ask in the chat to add any pain point or any value prop or anything that you would like to change here. For example, once you write it here, you can press send. And it was added, we work with Taran Dralovich. Once you finish going over all the different points here, you can go save or save and continue to move into the next step of the campaign, which is the touch points. So after you're done with this, Katie will know what to say about your company when she writes the messages. See you in the next video.